In today's video, we will see 25 advanced formulas of Excel. In my last video, I had covered 25 basic formulas. If you still haven't watched that video, I'll provide link in description box. So let's start with our first formula. Over here, we will see two ways to calculate our date. So the first formula will be plus or equal to date, bracket open, year. So year will be 2024, comma, month. I'll put 1. 1 is for January, comma, day. Day will be 1, means first date. I'll close the bracket and will hit enter. So I got 1st January 24. If I'll go to formula bar and will change the month as 2, it will be February. I'll undo this. If I'll drag this down, I will not get the next dates. So I'll undo this. We'll click on next cell, plus or equal to first date plus 1. Enter. Now I'll drag this down. Now let's see the second way, and we will make this dynamic, and the formula will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and we will provide month. So I'll click over here and we will provide year. So year is 2024. I'll click over here, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So our very first date is over here now. For second date, it will be plus or equal to first date plus 1, and I'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this down. So these dates got dynamic. When I'll change the month, I'll do it February. All the dates got changed. And whenever I'll change the year, years also got changed. Let's see the second formula. These are our start dates, and we have to calculate last date or end date. So the formula will be plus or equal to EO month, means end of the month, start date. Start date is 1st Jan 24, comma, months. We will provide 0, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So we got 31st Jan 24. Now I'll drag this down, and over here we can see first date and last date. Till end we got the same result, 1st December, 31st December. Let's see another formula. Over here we have got dates, and we have to take out day against the dates. For this also we will see two ways. So the first way will be plus or equal to text, bracket open, value. We will select the first date, comma, format text. We will put double inverted comma DDD, means D 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So we got Monday over here. We will drag this down. In the first way, we got MON, means Monday, TUE means Tuesday, and so on. Now let's see the second way. Plus or equal to text, bracket open, value. We will select the first date, comma, format text, double inverted comma, DDDD means D 4 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. And in second way, we got the full name. We can drag this down, or we can double click on the edge. Let's see the next formula. Over here we have got dates, and we want month number, month in short, and month in full over here. So the formula will be plus or equal to text, bracket open, value. We will select the date, comma, double inverted comma, M, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So we got 2 over here. We will go to formula bar and we'll add one more M, enter. So we got 02 now. We can drag this down, or we can double click on the edge. Even we can select all and can press Ctrl D. Month in short. Formula will be plus or equal to text, bracket open, value. We will click on the date, comma, double inverted comma, MMM means M 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So we got month in short, means Feb. We will double click on the edge. Month in full, plus or equal to text, bracket open. We will select our date, comma, double inverted comma, MMMM means M 4 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So we got name of the month in full. We will double click on the edge. Now let's see the next formula. Over here we will see VLOOKUP along with if error. To apply VLOOKUP, we will understand 3 things. First thing is lookup value. Second is lookup array or table array. And third is column index number. To apply VLOOKUP, we need a data. And this is our data, means holidays list. We have got holidays list in two ways. In the first way, we have got dates in the beginning, and in the second way, we have got dates later on. Let's go to the format. So what is lookup value? Lookup value is the thing which should be common in both the formats, means in our format as well as in our data. And both the things should be in the very beginning. Over here we have got dates in the beginning, and in our format also we have got dates in the beginning. If I go to my data, over here we have got dates, but it's not in the beginning. So through this we can't apply VLOOKUP. For VLOOKUP we need our lookup value in the very beginning. So this is our lookup value, means the thing which is common in both the formats. And second is table array or array. So array is all the data, means whole data. And column index number is column number. For VLOOKUP we will select our data from here or from top. So this will be column index number 1 and this will be column index number 2. Now let's apply our VLOOKUP. Over here we have got date and day, and we want holidays name against our dates. So the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP bracket open lookup value. As we discussed earlier, date will be our lookup value, comma, table array or array. We will go to our data and we'll select holidays list from top. In case you want, you can select the specific range also. But I'll always suggest to select the data from top. As we have selected our data, we will have to lock our cells. In case you are using laptop, you will have to press function F4 to lock the cells. And in case you are using desktop, you will have to press F4 to lock the cells. So I'm using laptop, I'll press function F4 and the cells got locked, means the whole range got locked, comma, column index number. Dates are in column number 1 and name of the holidays are in column number 2. So we will put 2 over here, comma. Over here we get two options. True is approximate match and false is exact match. So we can type true or false over here, or we can put 0 or 1. So 0 is for exact match, I'll put 0. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got name of our first holiday. We will drag this down. When I dragged this down, I got NA error because on these dates there's no holiday. So to avoid these errors, we will have to use if error. I'll go to formula bar and we'll put if error bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now I can drag this down. And I got all my holidays without any error. So this was the first way, and in first way all our holidays are in a single column. And in our data also all the holidays name are in a single column. What's if we want these holidays in a single row? Let's see the second way. Over here our dates and days are in a row and we want holidays over here with the same data. So let's put VLOOKUP plus or equal to VLOOKUP bracket open lookup value. Date will be our lookup value as we had done earlier, comma, table array. We will go to our data, we'll select from top, we'll press function F4 to lock the cells, comma, column index number. So column index number will be 2, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Over here also we will have to insert the criteria of if error. Otherwise we will get some errors. We'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this till end. And we got all our holiday against dates. Let's see next formula, and that is XLOOKUP. In XLOOKUP, it's not mandatory to keep lookup values in the very beginning. I'll go to my data or array, and over here we have got holidays in the beginning and dates later on. So we will apply XLOOKUP from this array. The formula will be plus or equal to XLOOKUP bracket open lookup value. Lookup value is date. Over here we got lookup array and not the table array. So we will put comma lookup array. Where we have to look our dates, we will go to our data and we'll select dates from top. We'll press function F4. and the cells will be locked, comma. Next is return array. What we want in return? We want holiday's name in return. So we will click on top. We'll press function F4 to lock the cells, comma. If not found means if there will be no holidays against those dates, what we want in return? We want blank. So we will put double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got first holiday over here. We will drag this down. And we got all our holidays against the dates. And the best part, we haven't used if error in XLOOKUP. Let's see another formula, transpose. Over here I have got bill number and products, and both the things are in columns and I want in rows. So this is called transpose. So the formula will be plus or equal to transpose bracket open array. This is our array. We will close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got all bill numbers over here. The interesting part, if we will delete our first bill number, all the bill numbers will be deleted. I'll undo this. It means the active formula is sitting over here in the first cell. When you will see in formula bar, it's in black. But when we will move to next cell, it's in gray. Means these formulas are not active. And when I'll try to delete this, delete, I'll not be able to delete. For products also, I'll have to do the same thing. Plus or equal to transpose bracket open. We'll select our data means array. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got bill number and products. And in both places we had used transpose individually. What if I want to select the whole data in one go? Let me delete this. Plus or equal to transpose bracket open. I'll select the whole data in one go. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And I got the same result. But the active formula is sitting over here in first cell only. If I'll delete this, all the data will be gone. I'll undo this. Perfect. Let's see another example. Subtotal. These are the months and these are item wise sales. And we have to take out total sales in one go. If I'll do it manually means one by one. Let's see how much time it's going to take. Plus or equal to sum bracket open. I'll select from top to bottom. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now I'll have to drag this all the way to right. Now I got total of individual items month wise. Again I'll have to put sum over here and we'll have to select all the sales. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So over here it took so many steps. Now let's try subtotal. Plus or equal to subtotal bracket open. Over here we get many options like average, count, count A and so on. But we want to do sum. So we will come down. On 9th number we can see sum. So we will click over here and 9 got inserted. In case we want to type 9 manually, we can, comma, reference 1. So reference 1 is this, comma, reference 2, sales of mouse, comma, reference 3, sales of keyboard, comma, reference 4, sales of next item, comma, reference 5, sales of mobiles. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got subtotal over here, just with a single formula. And both the sales are same, means both the sales figures are same. Let's see our next formula. Over here I have got employee names and many names got repeated. So I just want to see how many names are unique. Means I want names just one time. So my formula will be plus or equal to unique bracket open array. Array means our data. We will select all the names. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll go on top and these are the employee names. None of the names got repeated over here. But one thing to notice, these names are not in alphabetical order. So to put this in alphabetical order, I'll use sort. Plus or equal to sort bracket open array. I'll select the whole data. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And all the names got sorted in alphabetical order. In case you want to use sort over here, you can. Just go to the formula bar, click after is equal to and put sort. Sort bracket open, come to the end, close the bracket and hit enter. And in both the places we got the same result. Let's see another formula. Replace. Over here I have got employee codes. And in employee codes, I don't want AM. Instead I want EM. Means EM101, EM102 and so on. So my formula will be plus or equal to replace bracket open old text. So old text is employee code, comma, start number. So over here start number is 1. So I'll put 1, comma, number characters. So how many characters I want to change? 2. A is 1 and M is 2. So I want to change 2 characters. So I'll put 2 over here, comma, new text. As a new text I want EM. So I'll put double inverted comma EM, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. I got EM101. What will happen if I'll not put double inverted comma in the end? Let's delete double inverted comma and hit enter. We got error. I'll undo this. Now I'll drag this down. So earlier it was AM101, now it got EM101 and so on. Let's move to another formula. Substitute. In employee's name, monk is in the end, but in some employee's name we have got sent instead of monk. And I want to put monk in every name. I don't want sent word over here. So my formula will be plus or equal to substitute, bracket open, text. So text will be employee's name, comma, old text. So what is old text? It's sent. So I'll put double inverted comma sent, double inverted comma close, comma, new text. What I want as new text? I want monk. So I'll put double inverted comma monk, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and I'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this down. And I got monk everywhere in the end. Let's see another formula. Rand between. I have got months over here and name of the items. And I want random numbers in all the places. So my formula will be plus or equal to rand between, bracket open, bottom means bottom number. What should be the bottom number? I'll put as 500, comma, top. Top number I want as 12,000. Close the bracket and hit enter. I got random number. Now I'll drag this down and will drag this to right. In all the places I got random number. But there's a drawback. If I type anything in my format, suppose that if I type 2, enter, all the numbers got changed. I'll undo this. I'll copy all the figures, Ctrl C or Command C. We'll right click the mouse, paste special, values. Now if I'll put anything in the format, figures are not going to change. Let's see another formula. Sum ifs. Over here we have got employee names, region and sales. And we have to consider both the criterias, means employee name and region, whenever we take out sales. Suppose that, what's the sales of Alexander for South region? In the same way, what's the sales of Albert for East region? Means over here we have got two criterias and we are going to use sum ifs. So our formula will be plus or equal to sum ifs, bracket open, sum range. Sales will be our sum range. So we will select this from top to bottom, comma, criteria range 1. So criteria range 1 is employee name. We will go on top. We'll select employee names from top to bottom, comma. So we have selected criteria range. Now we will select criteria 1. So criteria 1 will be employee name. In case you want to type manually, you can. But I'll select from top to make it dynamic, comma, criteria range 2. So criteria range 2 will be region. So we will select region from top to bottom, comma, criteria 2. Our criteria 2 is region. So I'll click over here on south. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got 0. Let's change the name. I'll do it Albert and I'll change the region as East. So sales of Albert for East region is 5454. Let's go on top. I'll change the name once again. I'll do it Cameron. Sales is 0. Drew, sales is 6898. And if I'll change the region, West, sales also got changed. So I had used just 2 criterias over here. In case you want, you can use more criteria too. Let's see another formula. dsum. Over here we have got products, but few products got repeated as laptop is over here and over here also. Same way we can see mouse, and for keyboards also it's the same thing. I want laptop quantity over here and laptop sales over here. Or just say, if I'll put product name over here, I want quantity of that specific product and sales of that specific product. Let me do this laptop. And over here we will use dsum. Formula will be plus or equal to dsum, bracket open, database. In database, we will select our products along with headings, comma, field. So what is field? We want quantity. So we will put on heading of quantity. Comma. Criteria. In criteria, we will select product as well as product's name. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got laptop quantity as 219. If I'll add it manually, plus or equal to 89 plus 39 plus 91. Quantity is same. Let me delete this. Laptop sales plus or equal to dsum bracket open database. So we will select all the data along with heads. Comma. Field. We want sales over here. So we will click on sales, means heading of sales. Comma. Criteria. So criteria will be product and laptop sales. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So total sales of laptop is 745,000. Let's see another formula. Over here I have got an item, means car. Total value is this, down payment was this, and I had taken a loan of this amount. Yearly interest rate is 12% and tenure in years is 2, and I have to calculate monthly EMI. So my formula will be plus or equal to PMT bracket open rate. So what is rate? Rate is 12%, but 12% is yearly interest rate. So I'll have to convert this in monthly. I'll divide this by 12, comma, n per means number of period. So number of period is 2 years. So number of period should be in months and our tenure is in years. So we will convert this in months. We will multiply this with 12, comma, PV means present value, against which we are going to calculate our monthly EMI. So loan amount is our PV, means present value. We will close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got 28,244, but we got this figure in red. To change the color, I'll go in my formula bar and I'll put minus just before the formula, minus, and I'll hit enter. And the figure got changed to my desired color. Let's see another formula, round. Over here sales are in decimals. Our first figure is 71142.87. So if we will do it round, it will be 71143 and so on. So let's use round, plus or equal to round bracket open number. This is our number, comma, number digits. We don't want anything after decimal. So we will put 0 over here. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got round figures. We'll select all and we'll press Ctrl D. Let's see another formula. Convert. Over here length is in feet and I want in centimeters and inches. So my formula will be plus or equal to convert bracket open number. This is our number, comma, from unit. So from unit is feet. All the options are over here. But if you want to type manually, you can. So we will put double inverted comma FT. FT is for feet. Double inverted comma close, comma, I want to convert in centimeters. So I'll put double inverted comma cm, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and I'll hit enter. So 5 feet 5 inches or 5.5 feet is 167.64. I'll drag this down. Now I want to convert feet into inches. Formula will be same, plus or equal to convert bracket open number. This is our number, comma, double inverted comma FT means we want to convert feet to inches. So feet will be in the very beginning, FT, double inverted comma close, comma, 2 unit. 2 unit is inches. So I'll put double inverted comma IN, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and I'll hit enter. I got 66. I'll double click on the edge and all the figures got changed or converted. Let's see next formula. Text join. Over here I have got initials, first name and last name. And I want full name with initials over here. Means Mr. Albert James. So the formula will be plus or equal to text join bracket open delimiter. Means what we want to put between two names. We want to put comma, we want to put space, we want to put underscore. So we want to put space. And in Excel we use double inverted comma twice for blank. And when we put space between double inverted comma, it gives us space. So I'll put double inverted comma space, double inverted comma close, comma. When I entered comma, I got two options, true and false. True is for ignore empty cells, and false is for include empty cells. So I don't want to include empty cells, I want to ignore it. So I'll put true over here. Comma. Text 1, initials is text 1, comma. Text 2, first name is text 2, comma. Last name is text 3. I'll close the bracket and will hit enter. So I got full name with initials, Mr. Albert James. I'll double click on the edge and all the data will be filled properly. Let's see another formula. I have got customer feedback ratings. Some customers had given me 3, some had 5, even some had given me 0. And I want stars, and just next to stars, I want ticks. So how to get the stars? The formula will be plus or equal to REPT, means repeat, bracket open, text. What we want as text over here? We want stars. So I'll open my emojis and over here I'll type stars. I got couple of stars. I'll select this one. We'll double click over here. We'll close this. 2 stars got inserted. I'll delete one. I'll take stars in double inverted comma because we are using this as text, comma. Number times means how many times it should be repeated. It should be repeated 3 times. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got 3 stars. I'll drag this down. So in some places it's 0, somewhere it's 1 and so on. Over here we have got 5. If I'll do this 1, enter, stars got changed. Now over here I want tick instead of stars. Formula will be same, plus or equal to, repeat, bracket open, text. I'll open my emoji box. I'll type tick over here. I'll select this, we'll double click over here, we'll close this, it got inserted 2 times. I'll take this in double inverted comma. Comma. Number times is feedback ratings. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Let's don't close the bracket this time. Let's hit enter directly and we got our result. It closed the bracket automatically. Now I'll drag this down. In case you want to insert some text, you can. Let's see another formula. In my data, I have got text as well as numbers. And over here, I want text and numbers separately. So my formula will be plus or equal to T. T is for text. I'll click over here. Value. This is our value. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. I got Monday. I'll drag this down. So I got all my text. Numbers. For numbers, the formula will be plus or equal to N. N is for numbers. We'll select this. Value. We'll click on first cell. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. I got 0. We'll drag this down. I got all the numbers, but along with numbers, I got zeros also. And I really don't want zeros over here. So I'll go to my formula bar. We'll come in the beginning and we'll insert the function of if. If, bracket open, this is equal to 0, comma. If it will be 0, we want blank in return. So for blank, I'll put double inverted comma twice, comma. If it will not be 0, what I want my data. So I'll click over here. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. 0 got vanished. I'll drag this down and we can see all the text over here and all the numbers over here without zeros. Let's see another formula. Rank. Over here we have got months and item wise sales. Over here we have got total sales and I want to see the rank, means which sales is on top, and the formula will be plus or equal to rank, bracket open, number. Number will be first sales, comma. Reference. From where we want to take the reference? We want to take the reference from sales. I'll select from bottom to top because our formula is visible over here and I'm not able to select from top. Only reason I had selected from bottom to top. Now we will have to fix the cells, means we will have to lock our cells, and to lock our cells we will press function F4 or F4, comma. Now I want in descending order or ascending order. So I want in descending order, means the sales which will be highest should be number 1. I'll click on 0, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So this is rank number 1. I'll drag this down. Rank number 1, this is 2, 3, 4 and so on. Let's see another formula. COUNTIF. Over here we have got dates along with days, and I want to see how many Saturdays are there and how many Sundays are there. And over here I want to see how many Saturdays and Sundays are there. So we will use COUNTIF, plus or equal to COUNTIF, bracket open, range. Our range is this, means all the days from top to bottom. We'll go on top, comma. Criteria. So what is our criteria? we will put double inverted comma Saturday as we want to count how many Saturdays are there. Double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So we got 4 Saturdays. Let's go to formula bar and lock our cells. I have selected the whole range. Now I'll press function F4 or F4 and it got locked. We'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this to Sunday also. We'll go to formula bar and we'll change Saturday to Sunday. Enter. So we got 4 Saturdays and 4 Sundays. Now to take out Saturday and Sunday, if I want, I can add this. This plus this. Enter. I got 8. But we are not going to do this. We will use nested COUNTIF. Means we will use COUNTIF more than once. So our formula will be plus or equal to COUNTIF, bracket open, range. Our range is this. Means all the days from top to bottom. We'll go on top. So this is our range, comma, criteria. Criteria is Saturday, double inverted comma SAT. Means SAT, double inverted comma close, bracket close. Now we will copy our formula. Control C or Command C. We'll come over here, plus we will paste our formula. Over here we had counted Saturday. Now we will change Saturday to Sunday. SUN. And we will hit enter. And we got 8 over here. Means total count of Saturday and Sunday is 8. And in this formula, nothing is connected. So we can delete this. Let's see another formula. This is COUNTIF wildcard. We have got dates, days and holidays. And I want to see how many total holidays are there in the whole month. If I'll come down, on top it was 1, in mid 1 and in the end 1, means total 3. And we can't do this with count or count A. We will have to do this with wildcard of COUNTIF. So let's see our wildcard, plus or equal to COUNTIF, bracket open, range. We will select our range from top to bottom, comma, criteria. Criteria will be double inverted comma, question mark, star, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. Let's go on top, and total holidays are 3. Let's see our last formula, and that is filter. I have got employee names over here, and over here we have got department, and all the departments are mixed. But we want employee's name along with the department over here. Means in this column, name of only salesperson should be there, and so on. So our formula will be plus or equal to filter, bracket open, array. So first array will be names. We will select from top to bottom. We'll go on top and we'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma. We will select department from top to bottom. We'll go on top. We will log these cells also. So we'll press function F4 is equal to. We'll click on heading, means on sales. We will not log this. We will close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got name of all salesperson. Now I'll drag this to right. And the data got segregated very easily. So these are the 25 Excel advanced formulas, easy to remember and easy to use. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.